Hello travellers, so today we're going to be taking a look at this here, which is the Faro rolling duffel, which is a 40-litre rolling duffel bag. So this one doesn't have backpack straps like their other rolling backpack does. But you may remember a little while ago I did a review on this one, which is the Faro 26-litre. So this is in the same kind of range of bags, the Faro collection. So let's just take a look around the bag, and this is in the current compressed mode. So as you can see, it has these compression straps which you can flatten the bag really thin out to, and you can see how that is a nice slim profile there, and it has these really nice chunky wheels with a really nice spinning motion. On the bottom you can see it has this nice kind of a stand, so when you are rolling it and then stopping it, this keeps the bag standing upright, but it also doubles as a grab handle. So if you put this in the overhead bin, you can easily grab it out with this one. So I did just want to show you what this bag looks like when you are rolling it. So it has a very nice smooth rolling function. You can see as you stand it up, it stands up on its own, and the handle is very smooth. You have a couple of different heights, and it's just the right size to sort of wheel behind you as you're walking without hunching over too much. On the bottom you have a nice logo there and some rails which will stop it from hitting the underside. So if you're again putting this in to the overhead locker or under the seat, this will keep the underside protected. And of course, like any other rolling luggage, it has a nice grab handle, and this one's actually quite nice and rounded. So as you can see here, it's got a really nice barrel rounded handle, which, you know, some of the more modern cases have like a sort of flat handle. This one is really nice and round. It has a nice smooth opening action with a couple of different height settings. You also do get a grab handle on the top, which is nice and has this nice sort of color through it. On the front you also do get 2 extra grab handles, which is great for if you're going to be packing this in a boot, or if you're circulating lots of places to grab it. On this side as well, you do get another grab handle, as well as some cinch compression straps. So as well, they also do give you lots of little points here, so you could attach a carabiner like this here. There are also 4 points here on the edges of the bag. So 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. So if you did want to weave like a rope or elastic through here to put some extra carry in the front. You can see it's made from this really nice sort of rubberized fabric material, which is water resistant. It also does have a water resistant zipper here, and some nice little zip pull tags. So if you want to just grab it there to open it. So this compartment opens to about this space. Perfect for like passports or notebooks and stuff like that. And then on the top here, you also do have another zippered pocket, and this one is just quite a small one, so it only goes down into this space here, probably more for keys or coins. That is it for the front pockets. Now this compartment here as well, front one here, I'll just unbuckle it. So this one does open separately. The material inside kind of feels a bit water resistant, but I think this is mainly for your smaller, flatter items. You could potentially put like a used towel or something in there, because it does feel like it opens out to a sort of a wider space. But I would probably put notebooks or maybe even your laptop in this area. So zipping into the main compartment. Now this is a duffel bag, so it doesn't open like a backpack from the top. So it has like a kind of sideways clamshell. Now you could also put your laptop in this compartment. So it has a large mesh compartment here on the inner side of that front flap. Then into the main compartment. So this one's actually been unzipped. So you can zip that up to protect your items from the metal railings at the back of the bag. But you might notice these little holes here. Now what that is for is so you can put these cinch straps right ahead through, a little tighter fit than I anticipated. So as you can see, once those are through, you can then use it as like a cinch cord for holding your luggage in place, and you can obviously zip that one up as well. Now there is actually an additional zippered pocket here on the side, so you can put perhaps passports or wallets in these two little zippered pockets on the side. You do also get two rear cinch cords, so you can pop those through the hole there as well. Or if you didn't need them, you can just zip that up and keep it a nice little protected area. So that's pretty much it. Now, like I said, this is a 40-litre duff bag and it has really nice rolling wheels. So if you were planning to use this as like a photography bag or a travel bag or even a camping bag, it's definitely going to be able to withstand the heavy use. And as you can see, these wheels are sort of rubberized and have a kind of almost a four-wheel drive sort of style to them. But overall, yeah, really nice bag. I do recommend this if you're after a larger, say for example, a 40-litre bag and you like the single wheel design, so it wheels in one direction. Definitely go ahead and check this out with the links in the description. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.